Okay, let me put mine. It backwards. Looks better. Okay, I'm ready when you are.
We're ready.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Cesar from Crash Boat, Puerto Rico. I'm gonna do the dolphin call first. This is the dolphin call. I'm gonna do the dolphin as it happens in the Sea World. They go backwards in the water. Backwards, they say it's dolphin imitation. I'm gonna do the dog call. I'm gonna do Al Pacino in Scarface. Say hello to my little friend, you know, the gagaroches. You know what I mean? Are you looking at me, man? What's the matter with you? Anthony Montana. You fuck with me, you fuck with the best. You know what I mean? Hey, Chichi, don't forget the yayo. Show me the fucking money now. I'm paranoid. Anyway, that's good.